Founder of the Synagogue Church of All Nations, Prophet T.B. Joshua, has been mentioned in the leadership crisis rocking the Committee for Defense of Human Rights, CDHR. The matter took a worrisome dimension at the weekend as the National Executive Committee of the group, led by Acting President Dr. Kehinde Tiaga, filed a suit at Benin High Court over alleged constitutional breaches and financial impropriety against some prominent members. A donation Joshua made to CDHR in 2020 has been brought before the courts. It would be recalled that the human rights body has been polarized along leadership line since last year when the Edo branch allegedly passed a vote of no confidence on the national president, Dr. Osage Obawuwana, for allegedly manipulating the state election and imposing an unpopular candidate as the state chairman and consequently suspended him at the state level. This suspension was later ratified at the national level by members of the National Executive Committee, NEC, and confirmed by its National Council, who also held other allegations of high-handedness in the running of its affairs, as well as cases of financial misappropriations against him at the same time. Joined as co-defendants in a writ of summons issued by the court dated August 31, 2021, where Obawuwana and Sola Kolawole purportedly suspended national president and treasurer respectively, and Femi Falana, the chairman, board of trustees, whose tenure was said to have expired. In a copy of the court summons issued to newsmen in Warri on Sunday, 5 claimants prayed, among other things, that the court should declare the election conducted in Edo null and void. The claimants also demanded an order of court restraining Obawuwana from parading himself as the national president of the CDHR. An order of court restraining the second defendant from parading himself as the national treasurer of the body was also pleaded. The claimants went further to demand a court order restraining the third defendant, Femi Falana, from acting beyond his powers as member and chairman of the board of trustees, as his 3-year mandate to act as such has expired going by the CDHR constitution. The summons also contained a prayer directing the first and second defendant to refund to the body the sum of 5 million naira and 1,500 small bags and 50 big bags of rice, being the sum of money and gifts of rice to the first and second defendants by the late T.B. Joshua in December 2020 for and on behalf of the CDHR, which were not accounted for till date.